Did you know that almost half of consumers think there's no solution to low water pressure problems? The new MainsBooster range from Salamander Pumps offers an easy-to-specify solution to all domestic and light commercial requirements. First up is our range of inline pumps that fit directly onto the incoming mains water and boost water pressure and flow to either a single tap or the whole house. Combi Boost. Combi boilers have become increasingly popular. However, their performance depends on the incoming mains pressure and flow. This is where Combi Boost can help. Combi Boost is designed to be an affordable solution to low water pressure. This pump will boost mains water flow to 10 litres a minute. Home Boost. Home Boost is an intelligent inline pump only working when it needs to. It recognises when the incoming water pressure and flow are low and quietly boosts water performance either directly or indirectly via your Combi boiler up to the maximum legally allowed 12 litres per minute, resulting in better shower performance, quicker bath bill and stronger flowing taps. But what about properties where higher flow rates are required? The AccuBoost range of accumulator tanks are the solution. Ideal for use with combi boilers or unvented cylinders. AccuBoost stores water under pressure within the tank and instantly releases the water to supplement the mains when the demand is high within the property, with a range of tank sizes up to 450 litres and flow rates of up to 36 litres per minute. Choose pumped when mains water pressure and flow is low. This option will maintain a flow rate of at least 12 litres per minute in addition to the extra flow from the tank. Choose unpumped when mains water pressure and flow are good, but additional water storage capacity is needed to meet increased demand. There is also the option to link multiple tanks together, depending on space available and the required demand, making it a flexible solution for all property sizes. Made using composite material, they are lightweight, durable and come as one unit ready to install straight from the box. Salamander Pumps offer a range of tools to help with specification and installation, including an online product selector tool, training via the Salamander eSchool, and a technical support hotline. All are available at www.salamanderpumps.co.uk or you can call us on 0191 516 2002.